Namaskar. Welcome to Momo's Kitchen once again. Normally what happens, our kids doesn't like to eat any type of veggies. My kid does the same thing. So I have tried something with different kinds of veggies to make it look appealing so that the kids like it. So let's make something with the spinach, and my kid like this. Hope your kids will also like this. And stay safe, eat healthy. Thank you. The ingredients what we need to make this recipe. This is palak or spinach washed and chopped, oil to fry, suji or semolina which I have taken half cup. This is baking soda, half teaspoon, salt to taste. So first we need to put the suji. You can sieve it. I have sieved it earlier. Suji, half cup suji or semolina. Round about 4 tablespoons of water. We need to soak this and keep it aside for round about 15 to half an hour. Now we have to take the spinach, washed spinach. I have washed the spinach and I am putting it in the mixer to grind it into a paste. Our spinach paste is ready. So now after half an hour, semolina has been softened a bit and it has been increased in volume also. And this is what I have made the paste with the spinach. And so now again what we have to do is take a jar, a mixer jar, firstly put the semolina, soaked semolina, which we have soaked for about 30 minutes, and the spinach again in the jar, and we'll blend it. If we need little bit of water, then we can put. Right now I think so I don't need, but after that we'll see. From the mixer jar, from the blender, I have blended the semolina and the spinach together, and see, I have made a batter, and the batter which we need for the dosa. So this is the batter. So now I'm adding the baking soda over here and salt, and mix it very well. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Please viewers, please comment me so that I can do better. If there is any fault, if anything you want to learn new, then please do comment me. Now let's make the stuffings. For this we need 1 medium-sized chopped onions. This is rye or mustard seeds. I have put both the mustard seeds white and black together because at home we put like this. Whatever you have you can use. Some chopped green chilies, turmeric and chili powder, salt to taste. This is curry leaves, few curry leaves. This is whole red chili, and boiled potatoes, and oil, and some roasted peanuts. Now I'm taking 1 tablespoon and 1.5 tablespoon of mustard oil, and when it's hot we'll just give the tadka. When the oil is hot, I'm adding 2 whole red chilies, some rye or mustard seeds, few curry leaves, now add green chilies and the onion, sliced onion, and stir. Now I'm adding salt to taste, little bit of haldi, red chili powder and stir. Adding the roasted peanuts. Stir a bit. Now I'm adding the boiled potatoes over here. And with a smasher, I'll just smash the potatoes. You can smash, if you don't have a smasher, you can smash with other things also. So my stuffing is ready. And lastly, I'll just add few curry leaves to test the flavor comes out very well. My tawa is hot, so this time I'm going to prick an onion slice, see, with a fork like this. So I'm just going to dip into the oil and rotate it over here so that it becomes a non-stick tawa. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new recipe, you will get the notification. Please do share, like and comment. Sprinkle ghee or oil around the dosa and spread it all over the dosa, and see, the sides are coming out. And always remember to make it in a slow flame at this time. And now I'm putting the stuffing in between the dosa and flip the two sides. If you want to make a crispy dosa, then just add water to the same batter and make a liquid consistency. This is the consistency of the crispy batter. For the crispy batter, this is a pourable consistency, and at this time my tawa is very hot, so I'll sprinkle water, wipe it out and pour the amount you need slowly, and just slowly rotate it all over the tawa as much as possible. Slowly, don't rush at this time. Just slowly rotate it all over and make it thin as much as possible. When the above of the batter of the dosa batter is dry, at that time just sprinkle ghee or oil, whatever you have, from the sides and in the middle. It will come out automatically. See, it's coming out automatically. Very slowly. We are not in hurry. Now add the stuffings. And slowly, see, the dosa has become so crispy. Very crispy. See the sound, you can get the sound. I'm showing you again in the tawa itself. We can make this onion dosa, put onions, and you can add your taste. I'm putting Szechuan sauce. You can add paneer, whatever it is you can add to it and mix it properly. You can add cheese, as I don't have cheese now, so you can add whatever you like. It tastes very good. So now slowly flip and see the sound of the dosa. So crispy it is. Our instant rava dosa is ready. Serve with chutney sambar.
Hellcat.